Hey, what's up, guys? This is the Bass God giving y'all some more updates. Letting y'all know I got the dash fully in with all the trims, the OEM trims that originally came with the truck, which I already had. I just bought some new ones. I won't say new ones, but some used ones, but still look brand new. So, got that all back in, got new vents. Don't have to worry about all that extra dust moving everywhere. Everything looks pretty good. Got new seats, as y'all see. I took my passenger seat out, cleaned the carpet, got all that dust and stuff out. So I'm just waiting for my other seat cover to come in, and that's coming in. And my part for this, that's coming in today, so I'm gonna be installing this today. So, as y'all see, I got my passenger seat right there, just waiting for it. And I have my other piece right here. This is the one that just came in. This is the one that has the piece that's not broken. If you look at this one, I have the knob or the buttons on here. This one, the buttons are broken. So, and I don't like this black shit that's on here, so I'm gonna stick with the factory look. But everything is coming along pretty good. Haven't charged my lithium battery up in about, what, 3 weeks? Still sitting at 13.3. Don't have my bass amps on yet because I don't really need them on. But yeah, just making sure everything is working because I haven't turned on this system in a while. Just been doing a lot of cleaning. So, but yeah, everything is good. The wood grain is all back in here again, looking nice. Dash is new. All thing I'm waiting for is this. I'm gonna fill in the gap some more in this so this can be sealed off and tighter. And after that, I should be good to go. And then I'm gonna start cleaning inside this box right here. So I got all this dust and stuff. So I'm gonna start cleaning inside my seal chamber, get all that excess birch wood out of there. So y'all got any comments about this? Tell me if y'all like the wood grain factory look. Y'all leave comments. All right, later.